Are you looking to level up your finances? Then this video is for you. In it, I'll introduce you to some tips and tricks that will help you get your finances in order. So if you're ready to take your finances to the next level, stay tuned. Tip 1. Identify your financial goals. The first step to improving your finances is to determine what you are working towards. For me, it's moving cross country and buying a new home. For you, I don't know. It could be saving for retirement, paying off debt, building up an emergency fund. Clearly defining your goals will help you stay motivated and on track. Tip 2. Create a budget. Once you know what you're saving for, it's time to create a budget. Now, I know this is hard. I was definitely shocked when I finally created a budget and was seeing just how much money I was spending on things that I wasn't really using. So, what you need to do is start by tracking your income and your expenses for a month or two to get a sense of where your money is going. From there, you identify areas where you can cut back or redirect some money, somewhere else to things that you maybe want more. Tip 3, automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you can pay yourself first and build up your savings without having to think about it. Now, let's be real. Most bank savings account interest is nothing. So, I like to use Prize Pool, and not only do they have a decent interest rate, but they also give you kind of little prizes, for the money you have saved in there. So that's a fun little thing. If you're finding this video helpful, then pat the like button. Tip 4. Build up your emergency fund. An emergency fund is a crucial part of any financial plan. It can help you weather unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills without going into debt. You should aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a quickly accessible account. And trust me, this is necessary. Within the last 4 months, I had to buy 2 cars because I live in Atlanta and Atlanta happens. Tip 5. Pay off high interest debt. If you have high interest debts, mostly like credit cards or some other kind of loan, focus on paying those off first. Not only does it save you money in interest, but it also free more of your money for your budget. There's no point in you trying to save or invest if you got, credit cards with 25, 35% interest. Pay those off first. Tip 6. Invest in your future. Once you have a solid foundation in place, consider investing in your future. This could mean contributing to your 401k, your IRA, whatever kind of investment options you want, stocks, real estate. The key is to start early and be consistent, as compound interest can make a big difference over time. Tip 7. Seek out financial education. So you're already on a good start by watching this video. But don't be afraid to seek out resources and education to help you improve your financial knowledge. This can include reading books, listening to audiobooks, podcasts, taking classes, talking to a financial advisor. The more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and check out this video next.